Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can check or where we can find the Wi-Fi password in our Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get started and make sure to finish watching this video till the end. So let's open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether, or just by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then click on this run options here, and this run window will be up on our screen. So all we need to do here is to type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl. Once done typing, please click on OK or enter. And you will see that this network connections window will be up on our screen. All you need to do here is to select for the internet connection that you are connected with, whether you're using Ethernet or you're using Wi-Fi. So as for my device, I am using Wi-Fi, so I'll just make a right click on it. And from the options here, I will choose, or let's go to status. So here, you will see the connection, the IPv4 connectivity, the IPv6 connectivity, the media state, SSID, duration, and the speed of your internet connection, as well as the signal quality. So here, all we need to do is to go to wireless properties. If you see that option, please make a click on it. And for this wireless network properties window, you will see two tabs, connection and security. So in here, all you need to do is to, I am using a public connection or public network, so I may not see the password, or this don't have any password. So in your case, it might have, so please just follow the process that I'm going to show you. So instead of connection tab, let's go to security tab, and in here you will see the option that says show the characters. You will see a box that shows the password or shows your password. So if you see such option that says show the characters, please make a check on it, and once you do that, you will see the characters or the password that you have set to your Wi-Fi. So in my case, I don't have that because I am connected with a public network. So if you got the process, I'm sure that you will see the password in your Wi-Fi. So if you want to share it with someone else, you can do so, because you now know the Wi-Fi password of your internet connection. Okay, so I hope I helped you, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.